So for the guys, I mean, you know, this is some dating advice, I guess, for the guys, but I don't know. I'm out on this date with this lady who I like, and she likes nice things. I know she likes nice things. She wants me to get her like a fur, a gift, or whatever. So anyways,
Hi, my name's Leo and I'm from London. I promise I'm not as moody of a person as I look in this photo, but if you really want to find out, then come check out my station and get to know me and let me get to know you about any single topic that you want to talk about. Can't wait to meet you.
Blah blah blah, I'm recording a shake. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Blah blah blah, I'm recording a shake. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah, I'm recording a shake. Blah blah blah, I'm recording.